sa tatakbo siya sa 2022?
Sigurado. Sigurado na yan. Ako nga, pagka kung meron sa sama, kaya mo sa ako, wala akong makalaban. Meron din si Sarah. Yes, done everything for the good of the people. You know, any local official, or any, for that matter, any dealer, would always think, whenever he or she does something, it must always be for the greater good of the greatest number. So yung ginagawa mo, wala kang takot. That's what I did. When I was mayor, I always think for the greater good of the greatest number. Hindi for the greater good of your pocket or your kamag-anak or your third pocket. For the greater good of the greatest number. It is in the Bible. What you do to the least of our brethren, galing ka sa Lord. Nagawa mo sa ating mga mahirap na kapatid. Para nagawa mo ito.